delicious Vietnamese rice crepe rolls. On today's episode, we're going to be making one of my favorite Vietnamese dishes of all time, Bánh cuốn. I'm your host Harris Pianabong, and you are now watching Cooking with Mr. International. Alright guys, here's a little preview of all the ingredients that you're going to be needing today. I will be listing this in the description box. Alright, let's get started. First, you're going to need 1 cup of rice flour, followed by 1 cup of tapioca starch. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Stir and whisk until it dissolves. Next, on medium heat, go ahead and add oil to pan, followed by 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Once golden brown, go ahead and add 3 pounds of ground pork. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now for the next 2 recipe is not traditional. 1 tablespoon of chicken powder mix and 1 teaspoon of monosodium glutamate. Now those 2 ingredients were optional, so if you don't use it in your cooking, go ahead and skip to the next step. Next, let's add 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of soaked and drained chopped wood ear mushrooms. Stir occasionally for the next 1 or 2 minutes and let it rest. Set it aside while we work on the fish sauce dipping sauce, nuoc cham. Alright, let's make our nuoc cham. Let's start off by 1/2 a cup of lime juice, followed by 1/2 a cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, your desired amount of Thai chili peppers, and lastly, 1 cup of water. Man, take a look at that, what a pop of color. Give it a little stir and voila! We are done. Nuoc cham. Alright guys, it's time to make our Vietnamese crepes. Stir the batter for a quick 10 to 15 seconds. Next, let's work on our cooking station. Using vegetable oil, brush the surface that you're going to be making your crepes on. Using a non-stick pan, brush the pan with vegetable oil as well. This will help prevent the crepes from sticking on any surfaces. Next, using the ladle, fill it up 3/4 of the way and pour it on the pan and spread them evenly. Cover it up with the lid for a good 1 minute. Here come the fun part, let's flip it. It should look like that. If you're a beginner, it's going to take a couple tries, so let's do it one more time. Scoop up your batter 3/4 of the way. Pour a little bit in the pan. Give it a swirl. You want to make sure the batter is evenly coated. And we're going to put the lid over again. After 1 minute, voila! Let's flip it again. Bam! Now let's put in the fillings. Spread the fillings evenly. Now for the folding technique, you want to fold it down the middle, fold in the sides, and roll it down, just like that. Voila! Let's try it one more time. Fold it down the middle, fold in the sides, and then roll it down, just like that. Once again, roll it straight down, just like that. Ta-da! Alright guys, we are done. Now let's plate it. Bam! It should look like this. Sprinkle it with some fried shallots. Pair it up with some sliced pork ham rolls. Vietnamese chả lúa. It is a match made in heaven. I like to eat mine with sliced cucumbers, slightly boiled and strained bean sprouts, mint, basil, and cilantro. I like to drench mine in the nuoc cham, fish sauce dipping sauce. The more, the better. The more flavorful. I'm your host Harris Pianabong, and this was Cooking with Mr. International. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.